Do you ever see a hack online and think to yourself, does this actually work or did they just do some magical editing? Because I think that all of the time. In today's video, we're gonna try some internet viral holiday hacks, put them to the test and see if they're going to help you upgrade your space this holiday season or if they're just going to waste your time. Before we get into today's video, I do wanna say a huge thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video, but I'll tell you more about them later on. Let's get into it. The first hack we're going to try is using a tension rod to create a nice holiday vignette. Basically, you grab a tension rod, make sure it's the right size of like your entryway or your door frame, and then you wrap pretty garland and lights around it and you just shimmy it up to like the top of your door frame or something like that. It's supposed to create this beautifully draped look that stays in place and requires no hammering or anything like that, which I'm really excited about because I don't want to put more holes in my wall than there already are. There are already too many, and I love a good command strip, but you know, I don't feel like removing them. I don't feel like waiting the 24 hours for them to stick, so let's put this to the test. This is a tension rod, and I'm just going to extend it so that it is the width of this door frame. Now I have this garland. It is the Holiday Living 6-foot garland, and I'm gonna wrap this around the tension rod. The hack does in fact work. I will say my garland is kind of heavy, so I probably should have gotten like a thicker tension rod, but this is great for a door frame. Able to close the door and keep it up, which I think is really, really cute because it's not like something temporary. I don't know, I think that's fun. Now this next hack I'm stressed about. This hack is taking your tea towels and folding them into a bow shape. Now I really like the idea of this. I think this is gonna look really, really cute. However, I think I'm just like bow inept. Like if there is a bow, Kiva cannot tie it, whether it's on my duvet cover, my shoes I've got the shoes. But hair, thank God I don't have any, right? But I really struggle with bows, but let's see if I can do this one. So you're going to, this is very much like my Christmas tree hack. You take your kitchen towels, a clean one, preferably. This one, I cooked a messy dinner, what can I say? So I gotta wash this after this, okay? Don't judge me, I'm human. And you're gonna fold it like you're making a paper airplane. And you are going to fold it like this and then like this again. Take what's gonna serve as your loop and put your bow underneath, you see, like that. And then we're going to make sure the tails are even and shove them on the oven bar. So now we just fluff our bow. So we make this as tight as humanly possible and we fluff. Now, if you're loving all of these hacks and you want to try them for yourself, you need to pick up all the products from Lowe's. And I do want to say a huge thank you again to Lowe's for sponsoring this part of today's video. This holiday season, Lowe's is going to be your best friend, and let me tell you why. Lowe's is not just a home improvement store, though that's what they're known for. They have home decor, lighting, holiday decor, and more. Pretty much anything you need to get your home into designer shape this holiday season can be picked up on Lowe's. And Lowe's products are even more affordable right now because they're having their holiday savings event. One of my favorite things about shopping at Lowe's is that they have free store pickup. You can buy online or in the Lowe's app, and then you can pick up those items for free at your local Lowe's store. What I like to do is place my order in the Lowe's app, and then the next time I'm running errands, I just swing by the store and pick up my order. It is so easy. And if you don't like to shop in store, no problem. Save time and money with free shipping on orders of $45 or more. And probably my favorite, no, definitely my favorite perk about shopping at Lowe's is the same day delivery. For eligible in-stock items placed before 2 p.m. online or in the Lowe's app, you can get those items delivered to you same day. And of course, Lowe's has their low price guarantee. You're gonna find competitively low prices on the Lowe's app, on Lowes.com, and in Lowe's stores each and every day. Plus, the prices are absolutely incredible right now with the Lowe's holiday savings event. They have everything from holiday decor to outdoor items to normal home improvement items on amazing deal. And you can actually shop all of your home's needs using Lowe's holiday savings by clicking the links down in my description box. Now, this one really piqued my interest. Do you ever like want to give someone makeup or something small and you're like, what on earth do I wrap this in? If I put this in like a bag, you know, it looks kind of sad when they open the bag because there's just like a lipstick in there, or a box. You're like, oh my God, I'm using all this wrapping paper for this box. What you're gonna do is you're going to get an old toilet paper roll and you're going to use that to wrap the piece of makeup. Isn't that kind of like bizarre? But let's put it to the test. So you're supposed to take your tube, press it in half, fold part of it in. Okay. All right, Kiva, you can do this. You can do this. Okay, guys, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. I would assume just the same thing on top here. Yeah. You guys see how I have to like hype myself up in the process? Up. Did it on him. I'm gonna get some tape and tape off the edge so that it actually stays. And I'll take my gift, this lipstick for myself. Okay, but here's the rub, right? My lipstick isn't gonna fit in there. Maybe I have these holiday earrings. You could shove these in there. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I definitely was able to do it. Would I give this to somebody? I don't know, because they'd be like, this is a toilet paper roll. Like, this has been near your toilet. But the hack does work. I guess you could make it cuter by maybe tying some garland around it. If making bows wasn't like my least had skill, this actually wouldn't look that bad. I think there'd still be a lot of explaining to do as to why you're using a toilet paper roll. But maybe if you say, you only did number 1, people would be okay with it. Now this is one I've seen for years and I just want to see if this is practical because I love the look, but 1, it involves bows, my downfall, and 2, I don't know if it's gonna fall off or if it's gonna like be functional. So basically what you do is you take a ribbon and you tie a bow on your cabinet and basically it turns like your cabinetry into a great big present. This random lady on the internet says to drape it over the top, check that it's centered, okay? Oh my God, she's going too fast. Pew, pew. Killed that. This also, I'm gonna tell you right now, is not child friendly because my baby is gonna come in here and try and rip this off immediately. So I'm gonna have to take this down before she even gets home. But I guess you could do this like in your kitchen. Now I gotta shove this through this crevice here, which I would imagine would stop the drawer from cabinet from closing well, but what do I know? Okay, okay. Okay, so why would I do this right in line with that? That's okay. Now I assume you just tie a bow. I'm not watching any more of the tutorial. I don't need to be tutored. It's the heavy breathing while tying a bow for me. Now, could look worse, could look worse. I actually kind of like it. It's cutie. Now this next hack is fun. It is not something that like you're probably gonna do every single season, but this is gonna work for all seasons. And one of my favorite things to do is to go to Lowe's, get some butcher paper or just some like paper that you would use to protect the floor when you're painting, and use this because you can use like stencils or like paint to create your own type of wrapping paper. But if you wanna go to Lowe's and pick up your own wrapping paper, that's fine, but you're gonna use this wrapping paper as a mat for your artwork. This is gonna be a great way to display family photos for the holiday season and just make like the basic items a little bit more vibrant. Just grabbing a frame that I picked up from Lowe's. I'm trying to figure out where I should cut. Look at him, he looks gorgeous. Now let's put him in the frame. But what a fun way to use your wrapping paper. This hack is a win for me. Now this is the one I'm most excited about because we're doing this in my daughter's room. This hack is to put your Christmas tree in a planter. Now I love this planter from Lowe's. It's so rustic. It is so my style. It's very much so like modern organic, and I'm gonna use this after the holiday season. That's honestly one of the best hacks to get holiday decor. It is also going to function year round because you're gonna wanna keep it in your home. You don't have to worry about storing it. But basically I'm gonna put this faux tree into this planter. And what I really love about this faux tree is that it's so modern. You don't even really have to decorate it. It's just a very nice contemporary take on a Christmas tree that doesn't involve so many ornaments and stuff like that. It is just like good on its own. I'm actually gonna add this snow blanket from Lowe's. I think it's gonna add this really nice pop of light and joy and lightness that I think is gonna be a really nice contrast and give that look of fake snow. Now this next hack is only gonna apply if you have a lot of people you're buying gifts for, and that means that you are loved and there are a lot of people that you love, and I love that you have that sense of community. So basically this is going to be a gift wrapping station. So you're gonna use a tension rod, maybe the same one as before. You're gonna do this before you obviously hang your garland, but you're just gonna put it in a closet and you're gonna put a roll of wrapping paper on it. This way you're going to be able to dispense the wrapping paper and cut it really easily without the roll kind of rolling all over everywhere. The next hack we're trying is the one with the tension rod and the wrapping paper. But the issue is I don't have any closets that are the right size to accommodate this. And this is honestly too funny because the only corner in my entire house that works is my daughter's diaper changing corner. So like it's her diaper changing station. So it'll be like, hey, wrap a present, change a diaper, wrap a baby, wrap a present. Come to my diaper changing corner. You pull your wrapping paper. And like, I guess this would be best if you had like maybe a table underneath here. You grab your scissors, you cut, and you keep it moving. But it's gonna stop your wrapping paper from looking like this. This is from when I was wrapping a present on the floor. And look how much neater it's gonna be able to be like this. This also gives me the idea to use this as like a backdrop if you're like a content creator or something like that. This is like really fun. I like this. Now I am very skeptical about this one, but also very excited. This hack is to mix Epsom salt with water in a spray bottle. Lowe's has tons of spray bottles, and spray it on a window or glass or mirror and get a fake snow effect. I hate buying fake snow from the store because it gets absolutely everywhere. So let's see if this actually looks like snow and if it's easy to do. Epsom salt, very, very poor pouring method here. A few drops of dish soap and then water. It looks kind of like a slushy in the container. Now let's spray it onto this vase. I feel like it's too wet. That didn't work at all, but I did read that if you take the same mixture and spray it into like a bowl of Epsom salt, you kind of get a snowy texture. It definitely is looking like snow to me. I guess what I could do is I could put this in this container with like a candle, an LED candle, and kind of get the look of like a candle covered in snow. Here is a super close up look. So while it didn't work making it in the spray bottle for how thick it needs to be, it definitely works if you use the spray bottle to kind of like add that moisture and that soap mixture into it. But look at that. That looks like snow. Now this next hack has to do with canopy beds and poster beds. Totally okay if you don't have one, but I wanted to share this one because I was so excited about this one. Basically what you're gonna do is you're going to take like a light bulb. I'm doing vintage inspired light bulbs because I think vintage light bulbs are so in right now. They're on trend, and I'm just stringing them up along the posts of this poster bed. And this is going to give you that nice canopy look without curtains. Of course you could do this with curtains and garland, but this is so much easier. And I'm just hiding the string lights behind the bed. And if you don't have a poster bed like this, what you could do is you could wrap garland around the headboard and just put that snow blanket underneath so that it is illuminated, and just rest your garland on there like that. And you can add little ornaments or little picks or little berries to really elevate the look. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you loved trying all of those hacks. Some of them I was really shocked about. I didn't think that they were gonna work. And if you want to try any of the hacks I shared in today's video, or just simply get your home in tip-top shape for the holidays, or maybe even for the new year, you can shop all of your home's needs by using Lowe's holiday savings and clicking the links down in my description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.